Good morning, legends. It's vlog 128 on the Miles Rolden channel, and yes, I'm Miles Rolden. Welcome. It's a cloudy day here, but blue skies up here. Some really fluffy clouds over there. I'm hoping that the rain doesn't come for us because today's somewhat of a special vlog. I'm going over to the Rolden rice farm, my father's farm, and we're gonna hopefully clean and blow up the rice that we sacked up previously, I think in vlog 123 and 124 off the top of my head. But if you're new to the channel, maybe check out those playlists. I dabble in aqua farming, agricultural farming, as well as building construction projects in Roxas City, as well as the province town of Sapian and Capiz. If you're one of my ongoing supporters, one of my legends, I am so blessed to have you on board. I can't do this without you. I do this all for you. So continue to support the Miles Rolden channel and the Miles Rolden journey here in the Philippines. My backstory is simple. I'm a UK-born Filipino to 2 retired NHS nurses. After the pandemic, we decided to come back to the Philippines and manage our assets over here. So I have planned, or I am in the process of documenting everything on this YouTube channel for all of you to see, and hopefully you enjoy. So yeah, hit that like button, hit that share button, and if you enjoy this content, hit that subscribe button. It helps me out immensely. So yeah, with all that being said, I hope you enjoy vlog 128. 128 is imminent. It's coming up right now. On with the vlog. Right, legends, I've just arrived at my father's rice farm. We are in the entrance area, which is basically a 1 kilometer trek through the boondocks, through the bukid. It's a bit slippery. I'm with Daddio. We're just taking it nice and slowly. The GangGang, or members of the GangGang, are already at the farm, and they are in the process of running this rice that we have sacked up in previous vlogs through the blower. And once the rice has gone through the blower, it should clean it, so further separate the grains from all of the traces of stem and leaves, etc. So that's the purpose of the blower. We're having a leisurely Sunday walk through the boondocks, through the bukid, through the wilderness, call it what you may. I hope you're enjoying vlog 128 from the comfort of your chairs. Yeah, so today's vlog is away from construction. It will be entered into the rice farm playlist, and it's basically us cleaning the rice and running the rice through the blower or the fan system. I've never actually vlogged this before, this part of the process, so this should be interesting to see, and you're going to come along for that ride. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Any shout outs, dedications, requests, put them also in the comment section. Engagement is key for my channel at this stage, so I welcome all comments, positive and negative. Should it be negative though, keep your criticisms constructive and polite and cordial, and everyone gets along on the channel. Oh, I can hear the machina, the engine running. So yeah, we're just entering the farm now. Daddio's about 10-15 meters in front. He's very eager as well. We have a very good yield on this crop, 30 plus bags of rice, full 40 kg bags. So let's see if or sack shall I say, and let's see if once it's run through the blower, let's see if that 30 plus still is 30 plus. Whoop. So the gang, after the rice has been run through the blower and been separated further from all of the dirt, stems, leaves, call it what you may, stones, we then resack it and put it back on the kilo hand, the scale, and bring it back up to as close to 40 kg as possible, and we'll see what our 30 plus sacks weigh after it's been run through the blower and fan and cleaned. Pila ka sako na?
Dua po.
So,
Dua.
may damo ka sako
Oh, dahok mo dia.
pa limpyo?
Wala na ba inilang ta?
Ha?
Inilang ta doon.
Limpyo?
Wala na bilin.
On the stock sa babaw.
Wala.
So all limpyo na?
Harap pa lipian pa na boss.
Lipiyon pa to. Ha? Din. So, mura talang tayo tubas na to?
Oh.
Ah, 45. So bra.
At saka sakop lang yun nara ko diyang din eh. Bulang mah.
Right, legends. So, in our rush getting here on a Sunday, we forgot to to bring water. So none of the gang have water. We have no water, and we're on the top of a mountain here. So the nearest thing we have to do, or the best thing we have to do, is get coconut water. And Jobert is the master climber. He'll climb a coconut tree and he'll get the gang some coconuts that we can hydrate with. You know it's serious bukkid or boondocks when the gang got the bullo knife out and he cutting through the terrain. Look, this is gonna katol later, man. Katol in English is it's gonna itch. It's gonna be itchy later. Tabi po, coming through. Don't get angry. So superstition in the Philippines is when you walk through dense forest, you're gonna upset some of the occupants here, like the duende or the fairies. And it's important. Hold on, Bert. It's important that you ask permission to walk through by saying tabi po. You're asking for passage. So the young lad's already climbed up there. Look at this. What an expert, what a legend. How long, Jobert? Some major strength. My man just did a 45-degree angle like it was nothing in bare feet. He's giving it 3 chops. Wow. Hi. Okay na? Pila ka coconut? 5 lang? Look at the Techers legend. They learned this at a young age as well. Good job, Jobert. Hapot ka? Right, halfway. Hapot is out of breath. He's breathless. So we're gonna race this over to Dad, who needs some water. Bless Dad, he's in his mid-70s now. He's not the raging bull he used to be. So he needs some water, and you know what? I need some water. I'm in my early 30s, so.
Inom ka, boss?
Oo. Siyempre. Hindi. Sa barracks.
Napay.
Ha?
Biling ko at isa.
I will
Basag.
may sulod. Aba, heavy siya. Namit sa sulod. Okay. Get back. See, just walking through this dense forest like it's nothing. I got a tippy toe around this place. Alright legends, on with the vlog. Hope you're enjoying the adventure from the comfort of your armchairs. I am grafting for you on a Sunday. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Show me some love. I'm 3 away from 800. I'm 200 away from monetization. 1,000 plus subscribers. Show me some love, legends. Get your friends, family to subscribe. This London City boy is in the bucket, in the boondocks, talking Cockney, South London slang, just for you. Blowing, I'm blowing, just for you. But I love it. I really do love it though. So it's all positives. On with the vlog. Wow.
That's very nice.
Woo.
Thank you. You want boss?
Oh, yes, please.
Tim gas doon, Jer? Parang pasaka.
So you're all refreshed from your coconut?
Yeah. Straight away my insulin come back.
Coconut is life, man. Full of salt and sugar.
I'm gasping for my breath already. Sila na pong kuhaan mo ron doon na. Malimpyo. 14 yun? Moron? Ano nga huyap ng 14?
Hey, round 2 guys, we're gonna clean the rice again, make sure that everything is out All the impurities are out and we're just left with the grains of rice. Right, legends, so the plan is now, we've cleaned the rice, we've run it through the blower and we've resacked it. The 31 sacks have now become 26 or so, so that goes to show quite a lot of impurities in there, extra leaves, extra stems, and it reduces the amount of sacks, the amount of weight after running it through the blower and filter. So now that's done, the plan is after lunch, the GangGang are having a nice Sunday lunch now that we've provided for them. After lunch, after they've had a little break, we will then bring all of these sacks of rice that have newly been cleaned down to the roadside or the calzada, and my father has arranged for a buyer to come and collect the rice, weigh the rice and then buy the rice off my father. So yeah, I mean, we've gone full circle with this harvest. You've seen the entire process, and if you check out the Riceland playlist, you'll see the entire process of farming rice. But definitely today you've seen us clean and harvest the rice, clean and sack the rice, I should say. And now we're gonna bring all these sacks to the roadside at the entrance of the farm, where the buyers should be waiting after lunch, and we'll sell this remaining stock. So a lot to look forward to, and something that I've not shown on my vlogs thus far, so exciting stuff. One thing I wanted to mention is if you've watched previous vlogs, it's been about a week or so on from the last time I was here, and the corn has already grown a good 3 inches since we were last here last week or last Sunday. So that is amazing. It just goes to show the power of the Filipino sun, the fertility of the land, and then obviously mix it with the downpours of rain, and the corn has gone or grown immensely since I was last here, which was just under a week ago, maybe 6 or 7 days ago, with the GangGang harvesting all of these fields. And these bits of corn were tiny or just seedlings, and then now they've grown a good, I mean, they're now about 6 to 7, 8 inches tall now. They're all plants now. So yeah, amazing nature. Let's get it. The legends are now bringing, or the GangGang are now bringing these sacks to the calzada. Yeah, strong guys, man. Isok sila. Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hindi ka? Ba? Oh my God. Let's follow them. Right, legends, let's walk back to the entrance of the farm. Nice.
There's nothing in it.
Ben! Ay, mapas kaya! Walking through the wilderness again, through the boondocks, on our way to civilization. Another 5 minutes through the terrain, the wild terrain, and then we'll be able to sell this rice to the buyer who is on his way. Yeah, All right, legends. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to follow Miles Holden on all platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and indeed hit that subscribe button on YouTube. It helps me on my way to a monetization. I'm so close now. I'm like 3 away from 800 and like 203 away from monetization, 1,000 plus. Only you guys can help me. Remember, I do this all for you guys, so please show me some love. Hit that subscribe button. Show me that you're a legend and you're full of legendary stuff. Right?
This one, come on. I'm taking my time.
Yeah. Dad's taking his time. It's slippery. All of this becomes like clay and it's wet. And I think this draws an end to the rice farming for another couple of months until some major developments happen and we need to harvest again, because our caretaker will be left to his own devices for planting. I might show the planting, I'll see. This is where we got the coconuts earlier with Jobert. If you watched earlier in the vlog, Daddio was very thirsty, so Jobert climbed a tree. This is around this area. Okay, legends, I'll see you at the roadside. Legends, I know I said next time I see you will be at the car side or roadside, but we've stumbled upon our orchard of bamboo. This is where we get all our bamboo for our construction. We've got hundreds and hundreds of them growing, and they make this awesome sound when the wind blows. It's like I'm at some kung fu movie. Crouching tiger, hidden dragon. So this is our nature's scaffolding pole. Is it down here?
Yeah, go down here.
I've never been this way, Dad. You need to show me. This is your land. I don't know it.
The Kuya Tutong house is in here before. Tutong Windsor.
Oh. The Ankin boys. Ankin Roldans. Okay. Natural bamboo, legends. Nature's scaffolding poles. And here we are, legends. Some of our rice is already turned up. The GangGang are still hauling, manually hauling the sacks over to the roadside, where our buyer is expected any moment now. He'll kilo each sack and pay per kilo, the price that is agreed with my father. Blue Thunder, Noah, Daddio's already looking for a seat. It's hot, legend. But yeah, glad you could come along for this ride. I hope you're enjoying vlog 127. Oh sorry, 128. It's vlog 128 here on the Miles Holden YouTube channel. So legends, the buyer has turned up. I'm gonna let them get on with it. I don't really want to show on YouTube what my father is getting his or selling his rice sacks for, because that's his business, and it's not for me to make public. But definitely the market is here in Philippines, and my father has got one of the buyers over, and they're negotiating now. Right legends, that's it for vlog 128. 128 is now in the can. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're one of my new viewers to my channel, check out the playlist. I dabble in agriculture, I dabble in aqua farming, and I'm also constructing a building, a humble home here in the province town of Sapian, Capiz, Philippines. So follow all of that stuff. If you enjoy the content, hit that like button, that share button, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a penny and it helps me out immensely. If you're one of my ongoing supporters, one of my legends, thank you so much. I'm so blessed to have you on board. Keep continuing to support my channel and my journey here in the Philippines. Until next time, I'll see you in vlog 129. 129 is next. It's me, myself and I, Miles Daddio.